Hello everyone! In this video, I suggest we trade using the technical analysis, and today we will use the MACD indicator to help with technical analysis. We will find working cases using this approach and try to make money on them. Today, I will use a 15-second time frame and I will open trades mainly for 1 to 2 minutes. I will start with a small amount of $43 and try to increase this amount to about $7,000. So be sure to watch this video to the end if you want to know how much I will be able to achieve in the end. Perhaps you will like my strategy today and then you will be able to apply it in your trading. And let me start by briefly telling you what we will rely on when choosing entry points. This indicator is located at the bottom of the screen and consists of green and red moving averages, as well as a histogram of green and red columns. When moving averages intersect and a green histogram is formed, the price shows good growth. At such an intersection of the moving averages, we can open a trade for a raise. Conversely, when the green line goes down and a red histogram is formed on the indicator, the price shows a decrease. At such an intersection of the moving averages, we can open a trade for a fall because after such an intersection, the price showed a good decrease. At the same time, if we find a trading case like this one, we will see that the indicator doesn't produce any signals as such, and also here the price moves in a sideways trend. But at the moment, the moving averages of the indicator often intersect with each other and the histogram is not expressed. In such conditions, it's difficult to find a good entry point, and we will avoid such cases and look for more obvious price movements and indicator signals. So let's start and find the first entry point. Here we have a good upward movement and I open a trade for a raise since we see the moving averages crossed and the green histogram was formed. The main price lows on the chart are rising. The price moves more impulsively and mainly with green candles. All these points just indicate that the price has the potential to grow. So let's see how this trade closes. The price is moving according to our scenario and shows good growth. Thus, we'll make a profit here. That is, in such a case, the indicator turned out to be right and suggested a good entry point for us. So I suggest we continue and find some other working cases. Here, the price was moving in a downtrend, but at the moment, the price is showing good growth. We opened the trade for a raise because there was an intersection of the moving averages on the indicator and we see a green histogram. There is also a support zone for the price here, which holds the price really well, and we see a large number of green candles on the chart. All this shows us that the price has a good potential for growth. So I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move up. So let's wait for the result. So how do you start trading with me? I trade with my subscribers daily and give them trading signals. I share my experience, show new strategies, and give trading recommendations for free. If you want to learn how to make money, you need to write me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram, and I will add you to my closed Telegram channel where we will trade together with you. And most importantly, I don't take money from anyone, don't require any contributions, and don't sell anything. I just share my experience and help you to make money. And now let's continue. We'll have several green candles forming on the chart in a row and the price is showing good growth. Thus, we'll make a profit here. The indicator turned out to be right again and give us an excellent entry point. So I suggest we continue and find some other working cases. Here the price is moving in an uptrend and at the moment it's pulling back down. In such a case, we open a trade for a fall because we have an intersection of moving averages on the indicator. That is, this is how we understand that the price has the potential to decrease. Also, higher the price met the resistance and a large number of red candles appeared on the chart. So I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move down and only then it may resume its growth. We will try to make money on this decline. So let's see what happens in the next few minutes. The price shows a decrease and our trade closes below the entry point, and here we'll make a profit. That is, despite the fact that our trade turned out against the main uptrend, the indicator in this case still gave us a good entry point and help us make money. So let's continue and find some other working cases. Here the price shows a strong decline, but at the moment it's starting to move up. We open a trade for a raise as the indicator shows that the price has a good potential for growth. Below the price, there's a support level near which the price made a reversal earlier, and now we also see a reaction in this zone. That is, the price bounces up from this level. So it's more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up in the general uptrend. So let's see how this trade closes. Half of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel channel. Be sure to subscribe to receive more interesting content. Keep up to date with the new strategies and trading methods. Your support means a lot to me. The price moves according to our scenario and shows growth. Thus, he will make a profit, and we already have more than $500 on the deposit. That is, we managed to increase our initial amount by more than 10 times. This is a really great result. My trading strategy is working fine so far. Therefore, I suggest that we continue and find some more working cases. Here the price is moving in the downtrend and is currently showing a decrease. We open a trade for a fall because our moving averages are connected on the indicator. That is, we understand that the price has the potential to decrease. At the same time, the main price highs on the chart become lower. And now the price is moving down mainly with red candles, so it's more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move down in a downtrend. We will try to make money on such a price fall here, so let's wait for the result. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option because these brokers actually have a license. I can keep large amounts of money on my deposits and not be afraid that they will be stolen, written off, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that, oh, you did not trade honestly. Believe me, this happens, unfortunately. Even now, there's a lot of fraud. The broker's official website is being forged. You can get money there, but it will no longer be possible to withdraw it. Unfortunately, I have already been contacted by many of my followers who stumbled upon such a fraud, but nothing could be done because this is not an official website, but scammers. Therefore, please be careful and register using the link under my video. There is also a promo code in the pinned comment and it gives you 15% bonus on replenishment of the balance. You can use it. And this is also a good plus to start trading. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and leave a comment and press the bell. Let's continue. We'll have several red candles in a row forming on the chart and the price shows a good decline. Thus, this trade brings us profit. The indicator in this case turned out to be right again and gave us a good. So let's continue and find some other working cases. Here the price showed an impulse growth, but then it met the resistance level. In such a case, we open a trade for a fall since the moving averages on the indicator intersect and the red histogram was formed. If earlier the price moved up very impulsively, but then the candles on the chart became much shorter and then the price makes a small pullback down from the resistance level. So it's more likely that in the near future, the price will still show a decrease, and on such a pullback down here, we will try to make money. So I think that 1 minute will be quite enough for us for such a movement. So let's wait for the result. The price doesn't show a big decrease in a minute, but it goes down and our trade closes below the entry point. That is, in this case, we make a profit. And we already have $2,000 on the deposit. We're confidently approaching our trading goal for today. So I think that a couple more working cases will be quite enough for us for today. So let's continue and find them. Here we have an uptrend and an impulse green candle is forming on the chart. Also, a green histogram is formed on the indicator and the moving averages intersect. Here I propose to open a trade for a raise for 2 minutes as I think the price will continue to move up. At the same time, we also see that the main price lows on the chart are rising. Earlier, after a long sideways trend, the price made an upward impulse. Also now, after a slight fading, the price begins to move up again more impulsively. That is, all these points make it clear that the price has a good potential for growth. So let's see what happens in the next few minutes. The price continued to move up and thus our trade closes in a plus. That is, the indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a good entry point here. So 2 minutes here was just perfect for us. Well, I suggest we continue and find the next working case. The price is pulling back down and it's showing growth from the support level. At the same time, there's still a long distance to the maximum point on the chart, and we also have a green histogram forming on the indicator. And here we open a trade for a raise because I think that in the near future the price will move up in an uptrend, since all these points make it clear that the price has a good potential for growth. And also in this case, we took 2 minutes to spare, taking into account the possible trading or pullback of the price down. So let's look at the chart. The price shows good growth and here we make a profit. That is, in this case, the indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a good entry point. At the same time, 2 minutes here was just perfect for us. That's where we have $7,000 on the deposit and our trading goal for today is completed. So I finished the trade. So today in our trading, we used technical analysis, took into account uptrends and downtrends, used support and resistance levels, paid attention to candles on the chart and look for other patterns in the market. We also used the MACD indicator today, so this trading strategy was great and we managed to increase our initial deposit. So you can also use this approach in your trading and make profit. With the right experience and certain knowledge, you will definitely succeed. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoy it. And of course, I'm going to offer you a good way of making money. Just send me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram and I will add you to my closed Telegram channel where you're going to find the profitable trading signals. Everything is very easy. You just repeat after me and make money. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment and press the bell. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.